This is our HT283 power joiner. Use this joiner in applications where you want to join the track mechanically but separate it electrically. We'll get into this in just a minute. Let me show you the connector first. This connector has power contacts on each end, hot, neutral, and ground tab, as well as a cover plate in order to access the wiring compartment. Here we show the wiring compartment exposed. Inside you can see the two jumpers, the hot and the neutral, and two green screws so you can contact the ground wire. If you want to separate your track electrically but not mechanically, use this connector and remove these two jumpers. This can also be used as a power feed connector, and you can send power either to the left or to the right depending on how you've done your configuration. In the center is a 1/2 inch knockout. Hot, ground, neutral, and the little burr right here that makes it difficult to remove from the track.